The round function in Python rounds a number to a certain number of decimal places. Bet you didn't expect that one. Or it also has a certain surprise functionality that will help us later. As I snarked on the first slide, the round function's main functionality is to round to a certain number of decimal places. From this code, 1/3 to 2 decimal places is 0.33. From the second piece of code, if you specify a 0 for the number of decimal places, you round to the nearest integer, so 0.0. If you specify no second argument, the round function rounds to the nearest integer. This code will round 4.6 to 5. If you specify no second argument and you have an example like this, where you have some number 0.5, the round function rounds to the nearest even number. In this case, 2.5 rounds to 2. Now for that surprise functionality I teased earlier, by providing a negative argument, you can round to the nearest power of 10 relative to that negative value, meaning -1 rounds to the nearest tens place, -2 rounds to the nearest 100ths place, and so on. From this code, 123,456 round to the nearest 100, because that's what the -2 corresponds to, is 123,500. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao!